Why can't it be about a diet anymore? Why? Why can't it be about a diet anymore? So today, I actually want to talk about that. So, why it can't be about a diet anymore, why losing weight cannot be about a diet anymore. And I also want to talk about embracing that journey, what that looks like. We're going to dive into that just a little bit here today. So, first, why can't it be about a diet? Well, first of all, it's literally the wrong approach to take. Diets literally rob you of so much treasure, so much gold, so many gems. It robs you of so much. Because look at it this way, when you finally reach that weight goal, and it's going to feel good, there's going to be a celebration behind it, all that good stuff, right? But I'm going to tell you, what diets miss and rob you of is everything back in that journey. The milestones you hit, the growth, the learning, the getting stronger, the getting wiser. Diets literally rob you of the entire journey of that happening. That's actually the inward, okay? That's actually what's happening inwardly, the inward change, because it's the inward change that literally produces lasting and lifetime results. And that is literally what diets skip. That's why it cannot be about a diet anymore. Because anybody can go out and lose 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds. How many people have you known that have been able to keep it off, right? 95% of the people gain the weight back over time. And most of the time, they gain more weight back. If you're going to do all that work to go on a diet and do all the things and follow some kind of strict plan, why not do it in a way that's more sustainable and produces more lasting results? It just makes more sense that way, doesn't it? It cannot be about a diet anymore. So here you see where it's literally, we're not doing diets anymore. It's not about keto. It's not about paleo. It's not about Weight Watchers, the South Beach diet. It's not about Whole30. It's not about carnivore. It's not about weight loss injections, the Mediterranean diet. It's about none of it. That cannot happen anymore. It's the wrong approach altogether, right? And so here's what I want you to do. I literally want you to take all of that, all the plans, all the everything, all the diets, everything you've ever learned, taught, and known about a diet. And I want you to package it up into a box. All right. And I want that box to have a pretty little bow on it. And then I want you to go to the store and I want you to buy a bottle of lighter fluid, a whole gigantic bottle. All right. Then what I want you to do is I don't want you to squirt lighter fluid on the box. I want you to cut off the entire cap and I want you to pour that entire bottle onto the box. And then I want you to light it into a blaze of glory because that's what needs to happen moving forward. You need to unlearn all of the stuff you've ever known about a diet and losing weight. And you need to embark on a journey that's going to produce more lasting and lifetime results. I've been able to keep my weight off for 6+ years now, and I've done that all without a diet and having it be sustainable. That's the key. Every new change and every new habit that you embrace into your journey must be sustainable over the long haul. Long haul meaning a year or two. You must sit back and go, hey, these changes I'm going to make, these new habits I'm going to adapt. Can I sit here and can I embrace that for the next year or two? Because that way of thinking is an entirely different ballgame. It's no longer about a 3 or 4 months. Can I change these things and add in these habits for the next 3 or 4 months? No, no, no. It's going to take about 3 or 4. In reality, it's going to take about 3 or 4 months for those new changes and habits to sink in and become part of who you are and automatic. But I don't want you thinking that way. I want you thinking a year or two, my year or two plan. Okay. And then through the journey, as those new habits um, and changes become part of who you are and automatic, then what you get to do is you get to then stack on those, stack new ones and stay consistent, stack new ones. That, my friends, is literally the secret to keeping the weight off. It's the mindset change and it's the philosophy change. All right. Now, with all of that in mind, I want to share this with you. So, sustainability and embracing the journey, right? Sustainability plus leaning in on God for strength plus time in the long haul. Are you ready for this? Equals an unshakable transformation in your weight loss journey that honors your worth, glorifies God through every choice, and creates sustainable, lifelong health and freedom with results that last a lifetime. That's what gets to happen in your journey. And you get to embrace that. The sustainability and time, right? And embracing the journey has to do with growth through the challenges and the weak moments, patience over perfection. That's a big one, right? And then it also has to do with focusing on the long haul. Again, like I said in the beginning here, which then here's what happens. So you embrace the challenges and weak moments, the ups and downs of your weight journey and setbacks. They aren't setbacks. They're stepping stones for growth. Plateaus, struggles, frustrations are where the real transformation happens. All right. Failure is not actually the opposite of success. Failure is your chance to learn and grow. Failure is your chance to move above and beyond all of that and then put things in place so that the next time, so that it's longer until the next time you fall off that horse, right? You get to learn, you get to embrace, you get to grow, all of that. Patience over perfection. Um, Another key one here, lasting change doesn't happen overnight, and perfection isn't the goal. The journey requires patience to let new habits take root and transform your life. Small, consistent steps lead to massive, sustainable results over time. So powerful, right? Lastly, you want to focus on the long haul. Quick fixes lead to quick failures. Let me repeat that again. Quick fixes lead to quick failures. By committing to the journey, learning, growing, and overcoming, you're creating changes that literally last a lifetime. This time, you're doing it right. This time, you're building something that lasts. So, you guys, 3 things I talked about here. Put burning into a blazing glory everything you've ever learned about a diet and embarking on the real journey. Number 2, we talked about sustainability and time. Number 3, we talked about embracing the journey. And that's the key. You get to embrace the journey. It's no longer going to be about a diet. No longer. And when you have those times where you fall off the horse, you have those weak moments, here's what you get to do now. It is literally, yay, growth time. And you get to stand back and ask yourself, how did I get here? What were the triggers that got me here? What plans will I put it in place for next time? What is God showing me through this? What is God revealing to me through this that I can take forward in my journey? Are you seeing the difference? Difference between the diet way of thinking and going on the real journey? That's what it's all about, you guys. So check it out. If you like this video, be sure to click the subscribe button and like button as well, and then adjust the notifications to where you get notified of every new video that I come out with. And then secondly, check it out, you guys. I have a mini educational bootcamp series in which I dive deeper into each one of the frameworks that I just shared you here. I am giving away my 3 secrets to help you to break free from those hunger addictions or those sugar addictions, those hunger issues, those snacking issues, the emotional eating, losing that last 20 or 30 pounds and keeping it off, all of that. In just 3 one-on-one sessions with me, you're going to be equipped with an empowered mindset shift. Number 2, you are going to be equipped to see past the industry lies and avoid the common pitfalls. And number 3, lastly, you will be equipped to see past the marketing deceptions of this industry. Check it out, guys. You might be out there making all the heartfelt choices around your food, thinking that you're bringing stuff into your home that is healthy and good. And really, all you're doing is buying into marketing deceptions. They put it all over their packaging, making you think that what you're buying is healthy. Hey, this is a fruit and grain bar. Hey, it's only 140 calories. Look, check it out. No artificial flavors or colors. Look, it's high in fiber. Look, da 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 da. All of this stuff. And you're really only buying into marketing deceptions, because the truth of the reality is most of those so-called health foods are industry created foods that actually create the hunger issues, the sugar addictions, and the snacking issues. I help you see past all of that in my mini educational bootcamp series. 3 one-on-one sessions with me. This whole bootcamp is literally valued at $1,500. And right now, until I raise the price again, because I just raised it, right now it's only going for $97. That is still an absolute steal. You get 3 sessions with me for only $97. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. So if you got nothing to lose but those extra pounds, and you got everything to gain in the right way and in a very freeing way. So with that, you guys, you're going to find the link to that bootcamp down in the description below. Go sign up. Let's go. I look forward to walking with you through that bootcamp. In the meantime, have a great rest of your day or evening, depending on where you are in the world and what time of day you are listening. And I will talk to you and catch you on the next video. Talk to you guys later.